Hey guys, this is Jack here from TechTime 2015. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a £400 budget gaming PC build. This build's good for those who are just starting out in gaming on PCs, so let's get started. This PC should run most games at 1080p at 30 frames a second or 720p at 60 frames a second in medium settings. So let's start with the processor. We've chosen an AMD A10 6790K. This is a 4GHz quad-core processor. It's really good for this price range. It comes in at only £86.39 from Novatech. So next up we'll move over to the motherboard. For the motherboard I've chosen the ASRock FM2A88X Pro 3 Plus. It's an ATX motherboard and comes in at a very acceptable £61.32 from More Computers. Next we have the RAM. For the RAM I've chosen one stick of 8GB of Crucial DDR3 RAM. This is fairly fast RAM for a gaming PC and comes in at a very acceptable £27.99 from Amazon. Next I have the storage. For the storage I've chosen 1TB of Toshiba 7200 RPM hard drive. Comes in at £35 Mario PC. So next we have the graphics card. For this I've chosen the EVGA GeForce GT740. This has 2GB of GDDR3 memory. Comes stock super clocked, and it's an amazing video card for £72.05 from Aria PC. For the case, we've chosen the Thermaltake Versa H25ATX mid-tower case. This is an amazing case, looks really good, and it comes in at, well, probably the cheapest part in the PC, £26.57 from CCL Computers. Now to power all of that, I've chosen the EVGA 500W 80+ certified ATX power supply. This comes in at £31 and you can get it from CCL Computers. Now for the operating system I've chosen Windows 8.1 64-bit. I chose this over Windows 10 because, well, it's just cheaper and you can upgrade for free whenever you like. So, yep, like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, leave a comment down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Jackie from TechTime 2015, hope to see you again soon.